So I'm back. Good morning everyone, welcome back to JuddieFrost channel. Today guys, we have a package. Oh, I'm sorry. Kakatapos ko lang kasing maligo. I just done my shower and I'm so excited with our package from Amazon. So I buy this because of I always see this on my telephone. When I swipe my telephone, it's always popping up and popping up. So I just wonder with this product and make me confused. So I would like to share you guys. So let's get started. Wasak na yung kahon. Ayan. So this one guys, this is our products. Our product is a green tea clay mask. This is what we try today. We have eggplant mask stick, so that's one, and the other one is a green mask stick, this one. So I always see this, it's always popping up and popping up and popping up guys. So I would like to try this and show you if this is effective or not. But before that, I would like you to like, subscribe my channel if you really like my channel guys. So thanks for that. And I must to comb my hair first. Now I'm back. So we just try this. We open with our scissor. Oh my god, it's not easy to take it off the plastic on the package. It's very hard to take it off. I don't know, maybe they also stick on the box. So before we try our product, it said that before using a new skincare product, it is recommended that you try a small amount on your skin behind the ear or inner arm of the arm. So that is guys, but for me, I don't have any allergy, any guys, I don't have any allergy. So I will put our products direct to my skin. And also before we use, after cleansing and toning, open the product to remove the transparent protective cover. Rotate to push out an appropriate amount of paste and evenly apply on the face, avoiding the eye area and lips. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse with water. So that is our product uses. So we try this first, but before that, I cleanse my face with toner. I also buy my headband, so we must to put a headband on our head. Oh my god. So like that. And then we use our toner. So this is our cotton and our toner. Then our toner, open the back. That's what we use. And then we just open. Oh, it's just like a roll-on. Must to turn like that, so it's popping up, and then you just pick it off the cover like that, and then we put it back a bit because it's too much. So let's start our product to put on our face. So we keep applying our product. So we have whiteheads and blackheads in that area, so we just put on our nose also, but avoid to our eyes and lips. In this area also we have blackheads on that, so it's also need to 10 minutes to 5 minutes, and then we can see the result of our product to our skin. It's so easy also to apply to our face or skin because it's roll on. Then applying to our face our product, and then we just put it back our product on, and then we cover up. We put it back the cover. Yan. So like that. And then we need to wipe so it's not so dirty and messy. So our product, there is no paper inside like the instructions or what we can read about our product. So but we are lucky because the written on the box is English, so it's good for dead cells, skin dead cells, and whiteheads, blackheads. Yeah, make our skin shiny. So we wait our products within 10 to 15 minutes. This is what we use. So we put on 15 minutes, and we just wait it. As you hear. Yeah, so we just wait what is the result of our skin. I'm back, guys, I'm back. So our minutes, so we need 5 minutes more, and then we rinse our face. But this time I did not see any reactions as I see from the video or what I see from the result of the others. So I did not see anything. I did not feel any irritating to my skin. Everything is all right. So the green tea mask stick is it controls green tea oil control clean solid mask. So this green tea is for oily. If you are oily face, you can use the green tea clay mask. And then the other one is eggplant mask stick. This one is good for acne cleansing. So if you are the same with me, that I have a little bit acne to our skin, then you can use this clay mask, eggplant clay mask. So this is our product for today, the green tea and the eggplant tea clay mask. So if you are having a problem with blackheads, whiteheads, so this is it, my dearest viewers. And if you are a lot of acne, the eggplant clay mask can help you, guys. Our things is not ringing. My so loud. So our products is done. So it's already finished our 10 to 15 minutes, but I put 15 minutes to dry up our product store skin, and it's already dry. See, as you see, it's dry. I have wet tissue here. We just wipe some parts of my face and see the results. Okay, let's start to wipe our face. Oh my god! Can you see that? Let's get... Oh wow! Hey! Oh wow! Oh my god! It's true! Look how whiter and clean our face! Look! Oh my god! Can you see? That's the result of our product. It's true! Wow! Can you see how clean? Look! It's true! I need to wash or rinse our face, guys, and I will be back on you. Guys, I'm back and I will show you the result of our products to our face. Tcharan! Wow! It's true, guys. Kita nyo yung ating face? Ayun na siya! Very effective siya, guys. Very effective. It's true. So, ayan. So, if you like my video and you like this product, please give me a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you for our next video products and beauty tips. So, thanks for watching and I love you guys. Hello guys, so I'm back. It's already evening here and I just amazed with my face, the green tea result with my face. It's not true or real that there is popping up the blackheads on our face. It's not true that viral or coming out on the video. As you could see before when I reviewed this morning, it never came out any dark spot on my face when I use that. But it's true, guys. It's get lightening, soften skin, and shiny. So as you can see in my face, I did not put any on my face. It's just only that green tea clay mask stick. That's all, mga lalabs. So it's true, this product is real. It's good, make our skin glow. Very effective. So if you maintain using this green tea clay mask stick, it will glow and soften and shiny our skin face.